What
It
else?
looks like maracas.
You look like a maracas. Celine Cornejo, or you may call me Teacher Celine. I am a mother of two, an educator, a YouTube content creator, commercial model, and businesswoman. Of all the hats that I wear, being a mother is the best. And one of the best feelings in this world is being loved by these two boys, right?
Yes.
Oh, can we say first hi to everyone? Say hi, everyone!
Hi everyone, my name is Calix. I'm 8 years old and I love playing Nintendo, football, Lego, and drawing. Hi everyone, my name is Nonzo. I'm 6 years old. I like to play Nintendo, Lego, reading books, and drawing.
Nice. You know what, kids? Today is going to be a great day of trying out yummy chicken that we will eat during Mother's Day. Yay! We will rate the best roasted chicken that we can find in Ayala Malls. And did you know that these roasted chicken merchants can also be found in foodpanda? Please watch this video to find out how you can get 100 pesos off on your next delivery or pickup orders. Who's hungry?
Me! Me!
Hungry. Okay, let's start with chicken number 1. First question. Okay, how does this chicken look like?
I think it looks crispy and kind of shiny.
Kind of shiny. Okay, based on the appearance, how will you rate it? Me, I'll rate it 4.
Me, I'll rate it also 4.
Okay.
Me
Right.
too.
Okay, write it down. How does this chicken smell like? Can you smell it first?
Great. It's pleasant.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
So hungry. I wanna
Smells
eat
great.
it na.
This
Okay.
makes me hungry.
I know. Okay, let's rate it
Wait.
first. Show your scorecard. I'll rate it 5.
Me too. Same here.
Okay, write 5. Okay, next, the best part, finally.
Tasting yummy chicken. I'll try them. Tastes good.
Tastes good. How do you say? Is it sweet, sour, spicy,
Juicy.
salty? It's juicy.
I put in 5.
Me, it's mix of salty and sweet, right?
Yeah.
But
kind
more of salty. I'll
It's
rate
salty and
it.
sweet.
How would you rate it? You rate it 5?
Yes.
How about you, Kuya?
5 also.
Me, I rate it 4. Kasi it's a bit salty.
But overall, it's good.
But yeah, overall it's good. So I'll rate it
It's
4.
salt. It's good.
Okay, how about the texture? Check out the texture. Is it dry, juicy, hard, tender, tough? Ganyan.
It's kind of tough,
Kinda tough.
but it's not dry, but it's juicy.
How about you, Alonzo? How does it, what's the texture?
Juicy.
Juicy. Me also, it's juicy. So good. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, how would you rate the texture?
I'll read
4.
4.
I'll also rate 4. Okay, next.
Which is our next trick.
Oh, you choose.
Okay. Mini, miny, mo. Mini, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you had to let it go. Mini, mini, miny, mo. This.
Okay, this one. Okay, next is chicken number 2. Okay, first question. How would you rate the appearance?
I'm rating it 5.
How about you, Alonzo?
I'm rating it 4.
Wait for me. I'll rate it
Now.
4 as well. How does it smell? Let's smell it. Smell it.
It is pleasant. It's sweet.
Smells yummy?
Yeah. I rated 5.
5. How about you?
I rated 4
Why?
because I want 5 instead.
Why? I thought 4.
5 now.
You rated 5?
Yeah.
Why? Why 5 this time?
The taste smells really good.
Okay, I'll also rate it. Me, I'll rate it just 4.
5.
Okay, next. How does it taste?
Mm.
How's it taste?
5.
There's so many herbs. Yeah, can you taste that? The herbs?
I put in 5.
You like it?
Yeah, really good. So 5.
5 too? Me, I'll rate it 4.
I'll put it
Last one is texture. How's the texture?
4. Chicken
4.
chick.
Why is it 4?
Because it's tough, but it's really dry and also really juicy.
Okay, how about you? Why is the texture 5?
Because juicy,
What else?
tasty.
Tasty?
Yeah.
Yummy, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So write your score. Me, I rated 4. Let's go to the next chicken, the third one. Choose. Choose.
Okay. I'll pick mini, mini, mo. Cat a tiger by the toe. If you had to let it go. Mini, mini, mo. That one.
Okay. This chicken. Okay, next is chicken number 3. Okay, let's start first with the appearance. Okay, so if you're gonna rate the appearance, how will you rate it?
It's 5.
5.
I rate it in 4.
4. Okay.
Let's put it.
I'll rate it 4 as well. Okay, next is the smell. Smell together.
Smells good. Yeah, smells. I put it in 5.
5?
Less. Yep, 5.
Okay. Why 5, Alonzo?
Because it smells good. Good.
5 also? Why?
Yeah. Because it smells great, and when with the sauce combined, it smells better.
Maybe we'll try the sauce when we eat it.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's next part.
I'll rate it. Wait, I'm not done. I'll rate it the smell 4. Okay, the best part.
See.
You want gravy?
I don't want gravy. Me, please.
You like gravy?
Me, please.
I love it with the gravy.
Me too.
Me too. Parang I know this chicken.
Yeah,
Parang it tastes like savory. How do you compare it?
they're all yummy.
They're all yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, taste with the gravy. What's your score?
5 as well.
5? You? 5?
5.
I rate it 5 as well.
Ooh.
So good. Okay, how about the texture?
It's not tender. I put in 4. Wait.
Okay, for me, the texture, it's not actually that dry. It's juicy. I love it.
Yeah, I like juicy.
Yeah, especially the balat. I love
Yeah,
the taste of the balat. 5 for the texture.
And one more.
What's the texture, Kuya? You didn't put the score yet, huh?
Oh yeah. The texture 5.
Okay, 5. Okay, we now go to the fourth chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, can we
Oh,
choose?
yeah.
Which one should we choose? The fourth. But do bato pick.
No.
Whoever wins.
Bato, pick. Tapa, pata, pick.
Okay, who won?
Me.
Okay, so we'll try this chicken.
Yeah,
High
it's okay.
five. Tudung, tudung.
It's okay. I didn't even want to.
Okay, next. Chicken number
4.
Okay, first, appearance. Kuya.
Shiny.
Looks shiny. What
It
else?
looks like maracas.
You look like a maracas. Okay, how would you rate
It'll dry.
the appearance?
The-
Me, I like the color.
Yeah, me too.
It's yellow
Yeah,
compared to the other
it looks
chicken.
shiny.
I'd rate it 5. I love the color.
Me too. I will did 5.
Why?
5
Why would you rate it 5?
Well, like the appearance.
Okay, how about the smell? Smell together.
Smells great.
What?
Yes,
Listen.
I put in 5.
5 also. Me also. Ching. 5. How about you?
Me, I rated 4.
Show it then. Why 4?
Because,
Why 4?
the black.
You don't like it?
Yeah. Not too much.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the black pepper that you're smelling. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This time, before we eat it, they have different kinds of sauces. They have 6. They have harissa, exotica.
I want the gravy.
Let's see first.
It's not gravy.
Oh, does it look like
Can
gravy?
I see the others?
So there's
I
hoisin,
wanna
there's
see the
barbecue,
Mommy, I want to see the others.
there's sweet soy. Taste
Get my
it
camera.
with and without sauce.
The I taste it
Maybe
next with sauce.
I'll try the
this.
garlic. Okay. How's it taste?
Can we get some water?
Why?
It looks a little spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah. Just in case I put my
This
water
is-
here.
try something
it'll be a little
sweet.
spicy. That should go. Next.
Tastes good.
Ah!
The barbecue is a bit spicy, okay?
Yeah.
But it's good.
Yeah.
It's a good kind of spicy. Okay, I'll try the sweet. Oops, careful.
This should be.
The sweet is good. The sweet soy. I like it that they offer lots of choices, right? You have a
Yeah.
lot of,
The sauces are really great.
yeah. Even if there's no sauce, it's still good.
Yeah.
Hmm?
The sauce is only for 2 and the chicken's only for 5.
Okay, you write it there. For the sauce, for you. How about you, Kuya? How does...
It's obviously a 5.
Me, I love it. I rate it 5.
Look.
I had
I did
fun
this.
eating it. Okay, how about the texture? How's the texture, Kuya?
For me, I pick it at 5. I pick it 4.
5. Why 5?
It's tender, like soft. Like soft.
How about you, Alonzo?
4.
Me, I rate it 4. Because there are parts that are dry, but even if it's dry, it's still soft.
Yes.
So texture for me is 4. Okay, last chicken.
Chicken number 5.
Okay, how's the appearance?
It looks like gravy.
It's the color.
Yeah.
What's the color?
Gravy.
Color looks like
Yeah.
gravy, so it's like
Look.
light brown.
I put it in 4.
Why? Why 4?
For me,
The color,
I
don't like
think
it that
I
much.
think same with Alonzo. The other gravy is like I'm same with Alonzo 4
Why 4?
because it's
What?
crispy too.
It's crispy.
Now
But
smell. I want to
Crispy.
smell it now.
Crispy. Okay, I'll rate it. The appearance, just 4.
Why just 4?
It looks dry,
Look, you put it a check.
but
Looks to me.
color is okay. Okay, next, smell. Can we smell it all together?
Smells good.
Smells also good, no?
I rated it 5. Less. I'll give it a 5. Smells good. I rated it 5.
5. Me, I'll just rate it 4. How about you, Kuya?
5. I have a good opinion. It's 5.
Why is it 5? Can you stay here?
It smells great.
Okay,
And
let's-
let's try their own sauce.
Okay, let's try their sauce. Try it.
It's not that spicy.
Not that spicy.
It's kind of sour because of the lemon, but it's really good. Sour in a good way. It's not sour to me.
Not sour to you?
Yeah. And I want sauce. It's crunchy. The
Crunchy.
taste is 5. This tasteful. The next, I know mine was full. Mine was full.
Yours is 4. Taste it one more time.
Ooh, everything's 5. Everything's 5 in my taste. But there's only one, the sauce.
I think it's better with sauce. For the taste, with the sauce,
The texture good, it's
I rate it
juicy.
4. But if it's just the chicken alone,
It's
I
so
just rate it
juicy.
3. Dry,
Now I
juicy.
changed my mind.
What?
It's full.
Which one?
The taste.
Why?
It's like the sour ball.
There's a sour part?
Yes. For the texture, I'll give it a 4.
Why 4?
You know who has the most 5?
Texture is
My most 5 is my...
Juicy can be in a good and a bad way.
I'll rate also 4. How about you? We're the same? 4. So how would you compare this chicken to the other chickens?
They're all really delicious.
Yeah, the yummy and delicious. By the way, the sauce. By the way, this sauce.
Which sauce do you want?
And here,
And the gravy. I like
This gravy? You like that better? So would you recommend it to your friends?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's really good.
Yeah, actually all the chickens are all good.
Here is my ranking.
Let's see, what's your highest score?
My highest score is Chicken C with 20 points.
What's your, what again? Sorry?
Chicken C with 20
Chicken
points.
C with 20 points.
My chicken beef for 20 points too.
Chicken B, and my chicken is chicken D, 19 points. Okay, maybe let's do a reveal. Huh? What is chicken number 1? Which is chicken number 1 again here?
The chicken number 1, I remember. It's
This
that
one.
one.
Yeah, this. And then
It's
it
from
was.
where?
And then it was this. My favorite. And this. Kuya's favorite. And this mommy's favorite.
Okay, chicken 1 or chicken A is from Almond Marina. Yum.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, chicken B. Where is chicken B? Where's chicken B?
This one.
Okay, this one is from Italiani.
Thank you, Talani.
Yummy.
This one is the.
Where is chicken letter C? This one.
Yeah, that one, right?
Okay, this one. Di ba you like the gravy?
Yeah.
That's from Savory.
Thank you, Savory. My favorite chicken.
Okay, next is chicken D. Oh, this is my chicken. This is my
Yeah.
favorite. It's from Peri Peri. Yay.
Thank you, Perry Perry.
And the last one is from Chibo.
Thank you, Chibo.
Thank you.
All yummy chicken.
All yummy chicken. But what's your number 1 again?
Chickens.
Chicken C
Mine's chicken
from Savory. Why Savory?
It's
Why did you like
because
that?
I chose that because it is yummy, and when you put it in gravy, it makes it yummy.
How about you? Chicken B is... Wait. Okay, the Italiani. Why did you like the Italianis? This one.
Because it is yummy.
I love the peri peri because aside from the color, I'm happy that they have a lot of sauces.
Yeah.
So if I want something spicy or sweet
or salty.
or salty,
Or any kind of taste.
that's right. That's like, I like this. So there you have it. We all had our own favorites. It seems everyone can have their own favorites at Ayala Malls. We just found out our favorite roasted chicken today. For more information on great finds at Ayala Malls, please subscribe to their YouTube channel. Just type in I love Ayala Malls. Hope you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Just type in Teacher Celine. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. It's Teacher Celine PH. Yay! I'm sure all of you want to try these yummy chicken. You guys can order these roasted chickens that are perfect for Mother's Day through foodpanda. Get 100 pesos off on your next delivery or pickup orders when you use the code AYALAPICKUP. Again, the code is AYALAPICKUP. Check out this guide to know more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye!